dress into my official work outfit, and we're gonna actually go out driving today for our training. So yeah, let's see how today goes. For my training, I'm gonna be driving this vehicle.
Okie dokie. I had trouble judging seat, but dual tires.
Sorry.
Oh, you're fine.
This
Maybe you should
stool.
put
It's not just for elderly people. Have a cup of coffee.
So almost 3 years. 2.5 years.
Hey, they patched it. Okay, so one of the stain. Oh, this one.
Yeah, Columbia was really nice. Very essential.
Feel that? You feel that? Yeah. I've seen otters.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Good night, Nick.
Oh, that's incredible. Wow. Imagine this place on a sunny day. All right. Nice. So one of the guys I met here since I've been in Yellowstone, this is Clint.
What's going on?
Where are you from again?
I'm from Indiana originally, but I came from Oklahoma.
Okay.
I've been living for about 6 years.
Nice. And this is also your first season in Yellowstone?
It's my first season in Yellowstone.
Hell yeah, first timers. Yeah, this guy's actually an amazing guitarist and singer. I asked him if we could like jam, and then now we're about to go off to like some private spot in the woods over here and just go like, you know, play his guitar. Thank you for letting me borrow this 12-string guitar. I've never played that before.
Absolutely, it's my honor.
Yeah, but I'll show you guys. This guy's an amazing singer. He's super talented.
Pretty sure I went the wrong way. We're gonna do a little U-turn here.
Anywhere in Yellowstone is the right way, I think. There's no wrong way in Yellowstone. You know?
I don't think so.
Do you have any like life advice that you like live by, or I don't know, any quotes that you really like?
Yeah, I can give some life advice, and this is just from my own personal experience. We live in a world where we're pushed to be a certain person or to be a certain thing, and I don't think that's right. I think we need to be who we are truly, and not be what everybody else wants us to be. I came from a life of being very stressed out all the time and living a very corporate life, and it freaking sucked. I did not enjoy it.
Yeah.
And now that I'm living life more simply and
adventurously,
more adventurously, being more connected with nature, like life is so much better. Like living this way that society pushes us to be, it's just gonna cause you to be unhealthy. You're just not gonna have a very good life. You gotta live life of adventure. You gotta do what you want to do. You gotta be who you want to be. You gotta be who you truly are.
Exactly. Yeah. Thank you for that.
Yeah.
And that's why we're out here doing seasonal work in Yellowstone, you know? Just, this is life, you know? And it's one way you can live it. You know, there's multiple ways to live it, but like, it doesn't get better than getting to work in the middle of a national park surrounded by nature and cool adventurous people as well.
Absolutely.
So yeah, it's a pleasure to meet you, brother, already.
Good to meet you as well, Nick.
Yeah, looking forward to the whole summer.
Heck yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
Oh yeah.
I'll play a couple chords or something.
Oh, okay.
Feel how it is.
Okay.
All right, well, what do you
Hey.
think? 12 strings not too bad to play, right?
Oh,
Hey,
sorry.
careful.
Sorry.
God. It's okay.
Okay, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
No, that was great though. Hell
Yeah, heck yeah, sweet, man.
Dude, that was my first time ever like jamming actually. Like,
Really?
Where someone just like kind of went off of me.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks for working with me. I know I'm slow. But,
No, it's okay.
But it's fun.
Yeah, it is fun. All right, so what other chords do you know? And some more vocals. Can't you see? Oh Lord, can't you see what that woman she been doing to me? Can't you see? Oh Lord, can't you see what that woman she been doing to me? Can't you see? Oh Lord, can't you see what that woman?
An incredible time playing with Clint. Like that was so much fun. My fingers were getting so cold by the end. Now I heard there's like a party or something, people playing games upstairs. So let's go check it out.
We should have auctioned it.
All right, that shit was chaotic as fuck, but you know, all in good fun. But yeah, calling it a night now. So this is day 5 in Yellowstone. Peace. All right, day 6, and it's snowing out again. Winter ain't over yet, and it's April 22nd. All right, these are the conditions that we're learning in. They say it snows like this all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, the weather's changed like 15 times today already, and it's like only 3 o'clock. Hurry, Quinn.
Not cold anymore.
It's a flurry.
They might overlap a tiny bit, but if you see
Oh.
Ravens,
Oh, there she goes. Wow.
Ooh,
Oh
there's a
my
vacuum
God.
right there, flying.
Wow. Wow. All right, well, I got a roommate, so I'm not alone here anymore. And out here, it is snowing. It is really coming down. Yeah, stuff's literally falling off that building.
A little pat of butter here. We're gonna just melt all over it.
Funny enough, my roommate used to work at near the ski resort where I worked at in Granby. He just came from there, and he said that his job just gave him all these beers, and he needs to bring them all in because it's gonna freeze outside, and he's still in his car getting more. All right, did you get all the beer yet?
Not all the beer yet. I'm afraid I'll need to empty that bucket and go with the empty one again. Those are like $60 each.
Seriously?
Yeah.
He's not done yet. Did you bring it all in now?
Yeah, well, there's, of course, cider, the only thing I drink. That's why there's only one.
All right. And you don't drink, right?
I don't drink, right?
Yeah. Well, you'd make some employees really happy, let me tell you.
I hope so.
Yo, he knows one of my coworkers that I used to snowboard with. That he worked at the same restaurant as him, right?
He was in charge of the bar.
He was, okay. Is he still there?
He's still there, yeah.
Oh, okay.
But he didn't make the decision to give this all to me.
It's a small world, guys. You know, just seasonal work. You just end up
I'm gonna.
knowing
do you mind if I
people.
take a picture of you?
Yeah, sounds good. He's gonna send a picture of me to Floyd, and be like, hey, you know, this is my new roomie in Yellowstone. We both worked in Granby, Colorado, which is crazy. backing up training. Nice. First tries. Oh, this is so. Move along, boys. Move along.
Look at here.
Behind that black car coming towards us.
I
Wow.
bet you that's the one we saw coming out, Rachel. It's about the same area.
It's where it's like, where's my
Look
mama?
at that.
It's
Look
running
at that. Looking for a set of horns on that peanut.
Look at, oh yeah, look at,
Oh, wow.
Almost
very
right out.
atypical.
Is there any clear sexual dimorphism that tells you?
The upper,
Where's the elk?
yeah, right here.
And then elk. Wow.
Lots of little girls.
Oh my god, that's such a great photo. Can we pull over?
Tell you, but the weather is a couple of minimums in Gardner. We're going to be holding down here.
Whoa, how in the...
Oh, jeez.
A bit earlier, you know, maybe slick.
Uh-oh. Oh my god, they're stuck in there.
Wow.
Oh man.
In the hell did they get down in there?
All right, folks, as we're heading down here to Gardner right now, the weather is currently about 4 miles visibility with light snow. We'll be descending here shortly. The fasten seatbelt sign is on. Not much rain. Seated until the aircraft comes to a complete stop.
What's our cruising altitude?
Our cruising altitude right now is we're at about 6,500 feet, descending to about 5,000 feet.
Critiques? Anything that you guys could say or?
20
Okay, too low. Yep, you're too low.
I'm too.
You're too low. And if you can, keep your fingers straight out. Yep, just like that.
Like that.
Yep.
Steaming a lot. Steaming a lot.
We're almost a tinge too fast.
Oh.
There you go. He's got fast.
How do I know? How do I know I'm doing good? Like,
How do you feel?
feel
You're
like-
not bouncing off. You've got a full recoil. Okay? And you don't have, you don't have to listen to their things, just only watching their chest rise.
Right.
Chest is rising.
Okay. Find out if he's an organ donor. Next, we only have minutes to harvest. Finished with the CPR training, and oh my god, that arch is so beautiful. I'm definitely getting a photo of that soon.